So we've looked at the gallery and we've looked at global adjustments, but wouldn't it be wonderful if we could marry the two together? Well, we can do if we take any photo from our gallery and we apply some adjustments. Let's have a little look here. I won't do anything fantastic. I will just put some strange filters on. Perhaps we'll change the light, bring up the shadow, something like that. Now, down at the bottom, you can see if we hit Command C at this point, or click this button here, we can copy the edits. So let's do that. We get a little message up, as we saw briefly in the middle there, that said adjustments are copied. We can now go to another photo in our gallery and we can hit Control V or click Paste Edits at the bottom of the adjustments panel. And there we are. There are our same adjustments thrown over there. We can click another and we can do it again. So there we are. The simplicity of copying, rather than having to remember each of the little settings for everything, we can just copy and paste them across. Now, if we want to take this idea a little bit further, we can actually save all our settings, our local adjustments, our global adjustments, and indeed even our text layers as a filter. So let's have a look at how we do that. I'm just going to add a text layer to this just so we can see what's going on. So I'll select that and say this is a test. There we are. And pop it down here in the corner. Now, the next thing to do is pop out our filters panel, which we could also press the keyboard shortcut F to get those. And we go up to the top to the little ... icon here, and we say Create Filter. And from there we can actually select which aspects we want to save. So we've got main adjustments, local adjustments, text, and crop. Now, I'm going to untick local adjustments, because generally speaking they're on a per picture basis. So unless it was a whole series of very similar photos you took of a sky, but there was perhaps different items in the foreground of that, you probably wouldn't want to apply the same local adjustments to every photo. So in this case I'm going to untick that. I'm just going to pick the main adjustments and the text, and I'm going to click Save. And there we are. It's given us a new filter. We can right click on it, we can share the filter, we can rename it if we want, and it's actually put it into our custom collection. So I'm going to rename this. I'm going to say My Great Filter and hit Save. And so now down here amongst our collections we've got custom and we've got that. So now if I go back to my gallery and I pick another photo, say for example this nice one of San Francisco, and I go to my filters, I click my custom filter, and there we go. It's all done.